Okay, so today what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if we can try and restore these kind of stock aluminum wheels back to what they were before. So what we can see here, this one's honestly not that bad, but you can see that they're pretty dirty, some corrosion, a little bit of pitting, and just everything's pretty old. So what we're gonna do is we jacked up the front, took the tires off, just did a little inspection of what everything looks like in there. And now we're gonna start seeing if we can get rid of some of this corrosion and pitting and clean these up a little bit. So I got the wheels all cleaned up now. It looks a lot better than it did before. It was super gross. We had a lot of different things I was trying. We had wire brushes, I had air tools with brushes on them. But what I found worked the best was if you take a little bit of vinegar and just put it in a cup and use that. It helped break down the oxidation on the wheels a lot, and it made it look a lot better. So now I'm going to move on to the other side. We got 4, that was just 1. So let's see if we can get this cleaned up.
I love you. Hey, yo.
Okay, so I got a full side on finally. They're looking way better than they were before. So this front one had a lot of brake dust in it. So it's looking a lot better than it was. There's still a couple spots that are kind of dirty, but it's not too bad. And the back one looks really good. The back on these cars have brake drums, so all the brake dust is contained on the inside, so the rims are really clean. And it's not too hard to clean it. Now we're on to this side, so I've already taken this tire off. I'm working on that one, and then as you can see, the front over here is really gross. So I'm just working on that, and then once it's all clean, I'll show you guys later. Okay, so we made a lot of progress from the last time. We were able to paint this little catch tray type thing for the carburetor wrinkle black, which looks really nice. We tried our best to clean up all the varnish and everything that is on the inside of the carb. The gas that was in the tank was super stale, so we just went out and bought a new 40 liters of gas. And now what we're doing is, I don't know if you can see, but down here, that mangled looking screw, that's a kind of like a tamper-proof cap that was in California in 1980. So what we have to do is we just got to get rid of that so we can adjust the idle mixture on this, and hopefully we can tune it and have it running soon. So yeah. Okay, so now we've got everything back all together now, and as you can see, we got that crazy looking cap off. I don't know if you guys can see in there, but so as you can see, it's a crazy weird looking kind of screw. It has like a strange little non-tampering kind of top on it. So what we did is we just took a normal screwdriver and we just cut tip out of it to make a weird little kind of fork shape so we can fit over that. So now we're going to adjust the idle mixture, and I think what the manual said was it goes all the way in until you bottom out and then come back 2 full turns, and that should be about good. Okay, so we finally got the RX-7 all running and everything like that. It's running really good. Now we're just gonna give it a quick clean, and hopefully we can make the paint look a lot better. There's a lot of dust and sap on it and whatnot. So yeah, it's a pretty nice day out. Parked out right here in the alley. Hose it off, use a little soap, see if we can polish it. See what it looks like. Okay, so right now it's still too cold outside to open up the hoses, so it didn't really work out that great. We got half of it kind of rinsed off. We weren't really going for like clean, like show and shine clean. It was more just kind of like get the first layer of dirt off so we can kind of see what the paint looks like, and see if we can maybe get it clean enough at least to cut wax it. So yeah.
But if this brings you just a little closer to those men who are going into the hottest spots, I hope that it will help you to do a better job. Better job. will help you to do a better job.
So even just with the first little pass of cut wax here, you can see already how much nicer the paint is. I mean, you can't expect much from a 1980 paint job. It's been sitting outside for probably the last 10 years at least, not doing anything. But it looks great already. I mean, obviously we're gonna have to do the hood a couple more times. You can see that there's a bit of kind of fading in the clear, but this fender looks really good. So now we're just gonna go on and do the rest of the car.